We remove the back cover. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. Here we have the loudspeaker. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.